And there you have it, the closing bell at the New York Stock Exchange, ending another day of trading on Wall Street. It was a bit of a roller coaster for the major indexes today. The Dow Jones was up and down throughout the day, eventually ending down around 160 points.
The S&P 500 ended down around 0.4%. The NASDAQ was down around 0.8%. Julia Verlaine is a markets reporter at the Wall Street Journal, and she joins us now with more. Hi there, Julia. Welcome. So what was driving the markets today?
So investors have returned to a lot of uncertainty after the long weekend. You've had Wall Street banks coming out with earnings for 2023 estimates that they're revising down. People are concerned about what the Federal Reserve is going to do. Are they going to go 75 basis points? You've had a lot of negative news out of Europe that has people worried about global risk sentiment. A lot of uncertainty in that region, including Italian elections coming up, the pipeline being shut off by Russia, which means you're going to have a lot of volatility in energy prices. And that makes it a lot harder for central banks to do their job and fight inflation when you have energy prices that can be going up regardless. So the global sentiment around risk is looking pretty bleak. So everyone's trying to adjust for that right now. And, they're coming back to some weird indicators, for instance, the VIX, which is kind of the fear gauge in markets, that's popping. So they're looking at strange things, and markets just look rocky and unstable, and they're trying to find safe places to go.
It's really interesting, all the different, different issues that are impacting the market. One of them, of course, is that the fact the summer travel season has just ended, right? I mean, how does this change in the season and where people are spending their money impact consumer spending, especially as prices are still high?
I mean, that's a great question, especially because heating bills are going to start kicking in with the colder weather. So consumer spending went up over the summer. The July numbers were up. We're going to get August numbers for consumer spending in September. So there's a lag in the data. As you pointed out, it's been strong, but what happens when groceries cost more, when your heating bill costs more? Is the American consumer going to close their pocketbook? That's a big question out there. How resilient is the U.S. consumer? And that's an unknown.
And you touched on this, Julia, a moment ago. Russia has completely cut off gas supplies to Europe indefinitely. How will that impact the global oil market?
I mean, the main problem here is that you're talking about what they're calling a cost of living crisis in Europe, because they're dealing, some countries, with bills that are going to be 3 times as much. Nat gas powers electricity over in Europe. They're going to see those bills go up. So it's something, there's no solution for it. And markets, when they're faced with uncertainty, you might see capital leaving Europe and flying into the US. And you're already seeing that. You have a lot of overseas money pouring into US assets because it's considered a safer place. And that's why the dollar has been doing so well. And you're seeing it in the performance of the euro, which is below parity. And people at Wall Street, at different banks, are expecting maybe the euro to be at 0.95 against the dollar. So their currency's taking a hit, and it's definitely hurting global sentiment.
Yeah, for sure. Well, Julia Verlaine, thank you so much. We appreciate your financial insight.
Thank you.